If Microsoft Edge is showing the net ::er cert_date_ invalid error, don't worry, because this is usually a time or certificate issue, and in most cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to solve it on Windows, so you can get back to browsing securely without the warning popping up again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, right-click the time on your Windows taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. This is the most important place to start, because this error often happens when your system clock is incorrect. Once the date and time settings open, look for Set Time Automatically and switch it to On. If it's already on, turn it off and back on again just to refresh the setting. After that, under-synchronize your clock, click Sync Now. This forces Windows to check the current time online and make sure your computer is using the correct date, time, and time zone. A mismatched clock can cause secure websites to think your certificate is expired or not yet valid, which is exactly what triggers this Edge error. Once that's done, close the settings window and open the Start menu. Type Internet Options and press Enter. This will open the classic Windows Internet Properties window, which includes another useful fix for certificate-related browser problems. Go to the Content tab and then click Clear SSL State. This clears stored SSL certificate data from your computer, which can sometimes become outdated or corrupted and cause Edge to flag websites incorrectly. After clicking it, wait for the confirmation message, then click OK to close the window. Now restart Microsoft Edge and try loading the website again. In many cases, the error will be gone at this point. If you still see the warning, double check that your date, time, and time zone are all correct, especially if you recently changed them manually or if your device battery was removed or reset. You can also make sure Windows updates are installed because outdated system files can sometimes affect certificate validation. But for most users, syncing the clock and clearing the SSL state is enough to fix net::er_cert_date_invalid in Microsoft Edge, and that's it. Your browser should now load secure websites normally again. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Windows or Edge issue.